Project managers, I'm calling on you to roll up your sleeves and let's dig into the latest publication from the PMI. It's called the Project Management Body of Knowledge Guide, 7th edition. Now, taking a look at the 7th edition, it doesn't look very intimidating, but there's a lot of gold buried in here. And as practitioners, I feel one of our duties is to understand every standard, PMBOK guide standard that is, that comes out from the PMI. Whether we agree completely about what is in there or not, it is good to understand what is where, and who knows, you might come away finding something that you can actually use, take back to the office, and help increase the efficiency in your organization and how projects are managed. All right, so I want you to journey with us. My buddy Roy Schilling and I, we're going to be delivering this every weekend of September. It's going to be at 9 a.m. Eastern. It's going to run for 2 hours. You want to be part of this program. Right now, we've got an awesome deal going on. It is very, very reduced. Going down to hybridprojectmanagement.com. Those of you PDU hungry PMPs, hey, of course you're going to get PDUs because you're going to get a certificate of completion when you get done. But we need you to take action right now because right now it's going for steal. That will not always be the case. We want you to join now. Incredible deal. Come discuss with us what exactly is in this book. We're going through every chapter, every section, all of those models, methods, and artifacts that you may not have started reading. There's some really good ones in here. Some of my favorites are in here. You know, the Hersey-Blanchard model, we're going to be covering that. We're going to be covering the John Cotter's model, covering the theory X, Y, and Z, and many more, process groups, you name it. But you got to take action. One of the really cool highlights is it's a hybrid perspective. And we're going to be breaking this down from a real world lens. This is not just PMBOK guide for PMBOK's sake. No, this is really breaking it down to how you can apply it. And by the way, we are going to be combining that with some of the great information in the Agile Practice Guide. So you're going to get a truly hybridized view and sense of project management, whether you are already a PMP, whether you are getting ready for a professional exam. We invite you to journey with us because we know you're going to get tremendous value from this event. All right, so go on down to hybridprojectmanagement.com. Let's get hybrid and let's knock this project management thing out of the park for our organizations. We look forward to seeing you. Take action, hybridprojectmanagement.com.